Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with the Airliner, y'all. Wanted to get a quick flight of this thing. This little plane did impress me to be a 3-channel. It's very maneuverable, can turn in tight places and everything, tight spaces I want to say. And also I found that I can fly this thing with my Devo. So this little plane has turned out to be quite a joy for me, y'all. I like flying this thing. I just wanted to try to do some takeoffs and landings with this thing, because this little plane, when I flew this the first time, it was a lot of snow out here. Couldn't get a good landing in, couldn't take off or anything. So now it's my chance. Let's get it. It's on the moon top protocol, for those of you wondering. I don't have the rates set up or anything like that, but let's see if I can take off with it. This little guy does not take off out here because the wheels are too small, I guess, and it's not enough power being generated from this little plane, with these little tiny root props. So let's take off with it. I'm guessing the gyro must be off on it from the start. Yeah, it's flying a little wonky. Yeah, I don't know why it's going back and forth on me. Oh, yeah, it's going back and forth on me. I don't know what it is with the controls, if the gyro is just completely off or what's going on. Try to take off again. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn. Let's see. Yeah, it's constantly going back and forth. I don't know why. I think it's fighting. Yeah, the gyro is off, and for some reason one of the motors doesn't want to stop turning. Let's see if we can bring it down. We got engine failure. So I was able to bring it down. This little thing is flying like it had an engine failure. I guess I have to figure out, I have to get the trims and everything right with this little guy. So pretty fun flyer though. Once I get everything right with this Devo, I figure I'm going to be having a little more fun with it. But right now, one of the engines, I think it's pulling to the left a little and it won't stop. So I adjusted the trims as far as it can go, and that still didn't stop the problem. So I'm going to have to do a deeper dive into it and everything, into the settings, in the transmitter settings, in order to fix that. But I guess I'm gonna call it a little flight. I did successfully land this thing with engine failure. Thanks for watching. The A380 Airliner.